And right back to some of the motivation that I talked about in the beginning, with kind of like modeling human behavior and so like play being super fundamental to human behavior, right? I could see some application areas spinning out of this in time to go in that direction. It's just that games are a super good target for starting this kind of work as well. I mean, there's an industry out there that needs it. You can see everything that somebody's doing inside of the game, and there's like an immediate way of delivering it back into the same environment where you collected the data. So it doesn't get better than games for that, I guess. But I'll give you an example. I was meeting with an architect the other day, and it turns out they're building environments in virtual reality, in order to sort of like show it to people. But now they've also started running different kinds of spatial analysis of an architectural plan before they build it in real life. And so we were talking about. He was saying like, okay, actually, I have this like model of a wheelchair user that I give to people so that they can see what it feels like moving around the space. And he was like, well, can you attach your bot to this and find all the places where the wheelchair user can go and how? I was like, yeah, of course we can, because we'll just simulate, I was talking about the exploration bot where we cover everything. Well, we could use it for that purpose as well, right? Because now we have a representation of where that person can go and how, and then we can drive that automatically. And so when you have a new drawing, a new architectural drawing, well, then use this to understand where that person can go inside of the space.